Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to unbox D-Link 150 ADSL 2 plus router. This can be used as router as well as modem. First we slowly unbox. We have some D-Link modem, Wi-Fi, data card, smart plug, and we start here with a CD. That is not necessary actually. We'll get 12 volt DC input charger, and here is the router. Comes here with 4 port LAN port and 1 DSL port, and there is a WPS push button, on and off button, and a 12 volt DC in. Slowly we should remove these to plug in for LAN ports. 1, 2, 3, 4 ports are available here. I'm not going to open full. Next we will get a DSL splitter from LAN phone. From LAN phone, one to LAN phone and another to modem from the main cable. And we will get a one RJ11 cable and RJ45 cable. RJ11 it's used in LAN phones. RJ45 is used for LAN ports. That's all. Thank you for watching.